Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have the Causebox. Okay, it's not Causebox anymore, it's Alltrue. They want me to peel that sticker off the front that says Causebox and show you that it's now Alltrue, and I don't want to, because it will always be Causebox to me, and I know I'm going to continue to call it Causebox, and it's like, if I don't peel that sticker off, it's true. We all agree. Okay, fine. Let's get into it and see what I've got. My summer Causebox. I did customization for it, I think, on May 27th, which is also when I ordered my Causebox marketplace orders. I don't have those yet. Yeah, it's been almost 3 months and I don't have them. I also placed a essentials order from their new essentials line, which they implied they would ship out to you in 2 days. And I did receive that. I got it, it took about 2 weeks and 2 days. In all fairness, they only said they'd ship it in 2 days. They didn't say how quickly they would ship it. So I did receive that, and I would be showing it to you now too, except for I ordered several liquid products and a couple of them exploded in the box, and it's a hot mess. So I have contacted Causebox. I'm waiting to hear back from them. It's only been about a day since I got that one. This one I've had for a couple of days. They want you to pull off the part on the front that says Causebox. Mine does not want to come off. Okay, here we go. Let's say mine did not want to come off, and I wasn't going to wreck my nails over it, but it's coming off now. So when you peel it off, it now says Alltrue. Is that my happy face? You guys know I can't fake a happy face. I like the Causebox name better. I don't get Alltrue. I mean, I understand altruistic, but you know what? Maybe I'm just too old school. I think Causebox sounds better. All right, let's knife into this and see what I ordered. I only remember a couple of things that I ordered. The main hero product for this box for me, before I ever get in it, you guys are gonna know, was a set of bowls. So here's hoping I got them, and here's hoping they're packed nicely in here, because I have heard bad things. That is the inside of the box. On top we have their new, this is the shortened version. There's some confusion about this, but this is the new magazine, but it's not the magazine that they want you to pay for. For $7.95, you can now add to your box a more comprehensive magazine than this one. And then that's what the inside of the box looks like. They've put the new Alltrue sticker to hold it together. And there's more paperwork, which is going to tell us about the stuff in the box. And that's what the inside of my box looks like. This is why some people were a little upset. There was, and we're going to dive right into it first. There was some breakage on the bowls, and people were saying it's because they're just in a little bit of paper, and the box is almost too short for them. So let's see how mine did. Right, glosses time, and I am absolutely one of the last people to get their box. I have been, yep, mine's cracked. I have been monitoring online, and this is disappointing. And I'm going to put this right at the feet of Causebox. See, that's why I didn't want to show you the Alltrue of Alltrue. It's got that crack. Can you guys see it? It's cracked right down from the top. I really hope that shows. I'm gonna do this several different ways, hoping that it shows right exactly where my finger is. And it cracked right down from the top. This is Alltrue's fault. This was not wrapped up in the box, and the box, if I put the bowls, and I don't think I can manage them both, but if I put the bowls right next to the box with nothing under it, it's that much from the height of the box. And this had, let me show you, a double folded, really thick, which means it was pushing up in the box. So the minute this got hit by something hard, these cracked. So I guess I will contact them about these too. I've always really liked Causebox. I mean, I don't think it compares to FabFitFun. If someone were to say to me, I'm gonna get FabFitFun or Causebox, which should I get? I would absolutely say FabFitFun, because, and I have said this for the last few seasons when I've unwrapped it, you have to have patient pants for this. It's been almost 3 full months since I did the customization on this. I did my customization on my FabFitFun, and I've already got notification that it shipped. I mean, what's it been, a week or two, tops? And I'm probably gonna have it in the next week. I mean, it's not going to even take a month. This has taken almost 3 months, and I would say at least half of the people that I've seen unbox this, and a crazy amount of people online, have received them cracked or broken. Some way worse than mine. I mean, well, I guess we could take them out. I was gonna say, my outside one is only broken, but some people have had this entire situation shattered. So let's back up for a second, you know, before the whining. If by chance you are new to Causebox, it is a lifestyle box. They say that they work with companies that give back in some way. They work with women-owned companies or companies that have some kind of give back story. It is $54.95 per month. $49.95 is what it works out to if you pay annually a year in advance. If you pay annually, you will have customization choices. If you do not pay annually, you will have 0 customization choices. And so this box is mostly customized by me. Of course, you still have to pick within their customizations, and there are some that people were not thrilled with. I will tell you about them as we go. But in category 1, you could have chosen these bowls, which I chose. You could have chosen a Mana Hydration Nautical Cooler Tote or an Enchant Home oversized roundy towel. I chose the bowls. They're made out of bamboo, so once they have lived out their life, they say that you can recycle them. They are very light and thin. This is what they look like from the inside. So we have 5 bowls. The smallest is a white. Next we have what I would call terracotta, slightly larger. Next we have kind of a yellowy, almost mustardy. Then we have like a seafoam green. And then our cracked blue one. And when I stack them backwards, that's what they look like. Actually, that's not a bad example of them. And look, I mean, they are, well, they're gonna fall. I would balance them on the tips of my fingers here. That's how light they are. I don't mind that. I love bowls. I collect bowl sets. I wouldn't mind replacing some of the ones that I have now. I hope that since there have been so many problems, there's not a problem with replacing this one. They are from Bamboozle by Coeco, made in China, do not microwave. The paperwork on this says, add a playful pop of color to your pastry pastimes, dinner parties, and more. In 5 sizes, these vibrant nesting bowls were crafted with the planet in mind, made of 70% bamboo, 15% cornstarch, and 15% binding resin. Next, I see in our paperwork, each month we get a postcard. Some people save these and they have all of the ones from all of them that they've ever gotten. I think probably I saved the whole box because I use it for storage, and I suspect in the bottom of each one of them are these. I always thought that I would gather them and do some kind of artwork behind me, but alas, I haven't. I do like the way this one looks, and it would look spectacular in a kitchen, but it is a real postcard. You could use it to send if you wanted to. Okay, our choice for product 2 is this Reduce to Go bowl. And you can make your soups hot, or whatever you want to make hot, your pasta, whatever, hot. And you, or cold, I guess cold, you could put like fruit salad in it if you were going somewhere hot, and you put your food in here and it keeps it hot or cold. Fair warning, something that I've heard about this. That's the downside of waiting for this box so long, is I get on all of the Facebook feeds and read what everybody who's received them, because some people have had these for like a month and a half. I mean, they shipped out in waves, and if you're like me and you were near the end, here we are. Of course, I was also at the end last month, so I don't know what my luck continues to be. But people have said if you put something really hot in here and then close it, there's no vent of any sort, and people have had it make a vacuum seal, so they literally can't get the food out. So I'm just saying, buyer beware. You could have chosen this, a set of 3 packing cubes by my tagalongs, which I actually have some of those from a FabFitFun box, and they are fantastic, but I didn't need more. Or a packable hammock. Super glad I didn't choose that, what with it being the end of August. It says this is an 18-ounce to-go bowl that will keep hot food hot for 6 hours and cold food cold for 20. Wow. Whether you're making your office return or having a picnic in the park, it is made with stainless steel, it vacuum seals, and it won't sweat no matter what you put in it. So I've heard that's true, that it vacuum seals. Okay, choice product 3, and I chose this. Wow, this is super heavy. Wow, I mean, I knew it was gonna be real metal, but I thought I would poke it in my purse for on the go. You don't even know what it is yet, do you? It's utensils. But wow, that would really weigh down a purse. That is what the box looks like. And when we open it up, oh, I'm holding it upside down. So that is what the box looks like on top. And when we open it up, we have real silverware in there. Oh my goodness. I love this, a spork and a spoon, and these feel really nice. I mean, they really do feel nice. That's what the spoon looks like. It's like a nice soup spoon. These are really, they have some weight to them. A spork and a knife was this by Small Hours. I don't know if you guys can see that. And that is what the box looked like before I quickly ripped it out of there. And this was a choice. You could have chosen this or an Etika Solo stone bracelet. The stone was teeny. I did not think it would be perfect for my full-sized wrist. But this is, they slide back under. This is firm, so they slide back under it. So you absolutely can take it where you go. And as I recall, when I was doing the information for spoilers on this, this can be washed. So this is a washable item. It basically just says that it is a stainless steel cutlery set. Poke it in your purse or your glove box and say no to single use. Well, I have long since said no to single use, but this is pretty cool. Choice product 4, and this is the one that I said some people weren't happy with. People don't necessarily get Causebox for makeup and skincare. I think there was a little discontent about the fact that our 2 choices for choice 4 were both of these cosmetics items. I chose the mattifying moisturizer because the other choice was a retinol serum. When I chose it, because there is method to my madness, I did not think to myself, Kathrin, this could take months to get to you. I thought, ooh, that would be good for summer when I'm up here and it's so hot and I start getting shiny and yada, yada, yada. But now we're almost done with summer. So I might go ahead, let's see, is it sealed? Please be sealed. Yes, it is sealed. So I think I'm going to go ahead and set this aside to pass along because I don't need a mattifying moisturizer. 2-3 months a year tops would I need this. The rest of the time, moisture please. But the option was a retinol serum, and if you watch the channel, you guys know I don't use retinol. And then choice 5, we could choose from a Way of Will brightening face serum, which you guys know, anything that's brightening means I can't use it because there's something in it that attacks your face. Or, wow, this is huge, Brand with a Heart OMG Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Blend. That's what it looks like. Can you guys tell? It is super, I mean, it's tall as my head. It's really tall. It's only 6 fluid ounces, but they get extra credit for seeing how high they could build it. It says, take your tresses on a tropical vacation without leaving home. Lather it in and let the natural botanicals work their magic. Your hair will be silky smooth and frizz-free in no time flat. Comb this conditioner onto wet or dry hair and style as usual, and then just wait to see the results. Well, I would definitely have to use this on wet hair. I cannot put a cream. My hair is too fine and thin. I cannot put a cream in my dry hair. But let's see. Tropical vacation implies we're gonna maybe have a coconut scent or something like that. Let's see. I just opened in my Glam X, I think, a Briogeo leave-in conditioner, so I'm probably gonna use that one first, but I will set this aside because I love hair products. Oh, I might have been lying about which one I was setting aside. Oh my goodness. This is a tropical vacation. This smells amazing. It's kind of coconutty, but bright and fruity. I would like my whole house to smell like this. What is that? It says, fortified with their cocktail of marquee berries, our signature blend of superfruits and our protein complex, and it provides heat protection. Protein complex makes me a little nervous because one of the reasons that hair can break is actually by being over-proteined, so I probably wouldn't choose to use this every day. But I tell you what, I'm gonna want to because the scent is spectacular. And last but not least, and this wasn't a choice, I think everybody got this. Let's check the paperwork. Let's go to the videotape. Yes, everyone received the Hanalei Company Hawaiian SPF Lip Trio. It is vegan. So what they were saying on the internet was people were unhappy with the fact that this is a Hawaiian brand and it is apparently, it's got SPF in it. Yes, SPF 15, and it's not the reef safe kind. So it is a Hawaiian brand with an SPF in it that's actually not reef safe. People were not thrilled with this product as a non-choice product. It says it relieves dryness and restores hydration with a tropical trio of lip balms. It is cruelty-free and vegan. The secret ingredient of our lips is Hawaiian kukua nut, a moisturizing elixir packed with antioxidants, vitamin A, C, and E, and more than a little spellbinding Hawaiian aloha. In tropical citrus, island mint, and unscented, this trio brings the island vibes. All right, well, what we have are 3 SPF 15 lippies. Now, I will probably still use this because I'm not, does that matter going into my water system? Oh no. Let me know below. I mean, I'm not gonna wear these to the beach, but will this go into, no, I'll probably just eat it all. This wouldn't be left on my face to even get washed off and go into the sewer system. You know how it is, you put balm on and then where'd the balm go? So anyway, I will be trying. That is my Causebox. I ordered it, I think, on May 27th. I don't think I ordered it before that, and I am just now getting it. And it was $49.95 to me because I am an annual. And everyone received this Hawaiian lip balm. I got this reduced, did I say it was reduced? I might not have been focused enough to make this video. What do you guys think? This reduce canister that keeps hot and cold. Hot for 6 hours, cold for 20, I think they said. The Cosmetics moisturizer, that's a mattifying moisturizer. The Small Hours, which I am really happy with this, the Small Hours silverware. And the bowls. And this is what I was looking forward to the most because I do love bowls. I will have to take a picture and show them that it is cracked. So I will look forward to hopefully receiving a new blue outer bowl. I don't need the whole set, so honestly I hope they don't send the whole set again, but I would surely like to have the biggest of the bowls because I suspect it's the one I will use the most. Oh, and I got the Brand with a Heart, the leave-in conditioner. The world's tallest bottle, perhaps. If, by chance, after this glowing review, you have any interest in Alltrue, I will put my link below. It will get you $10 off your first box. It's usually a really good box. If my bowls hadn't been broken, I would be through the moon right now. If they had been packed better and still been broken, I would have been completely understanding. But these are broken because this box wasn't packed well. And the box wasn't the right size for the bowls. Am I going to stop getting this box? I am not, because I, as a rule, like it. I will absolutely get my money's worth out of it because I'm sure they will send me a new blue bowl. And this bowl set alone probably covers the cost of my box. And then I have everything else that will also get used. So it's absolutely worth the money. What you have to decide is if you can truly not be annoyed by paying for a box that you don't receive for 2 to 3 months. That's really all you have to decide because the products usually are worth it. I'm hoping that with the name change to Alltrue and they put out something the other day saying they were going to do better going forward, I'm hoping that is all true. Okay, I'm done preaching on Causebox. Also Alltrue. Thank you so much for coming by. If you have any questions, let me know below, and if I can help you with any questions, I certainly will. Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.